Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to assemble this children's electric motorbike. Be sure to keep your user guide handy for more information about safety and assembly. Before you begin, make sure you have all the pieces. If anything is missing or damaged, it could compromise the structural integrity of your vehicle. Step 1. Install the back wheels. Place the vehicle on a flat surface. You will find the rear axle rod on the underside of the vehicle. Just remove the screw holding it in place and pull it free. You may have to install the wheel motors. Just feed the wires through the side slots and plug them into the corresponding plugs inside the body. Slide the rear axle through the motor, through the vehicle body, and through the motor on the other side. Slide one wheel onto one end of the axle, making sure that the inside of the tire fits snugly into the gearbox. Apply one washer and a lock nut. Repeat this process on the other side. In order to tighten the nuts, you will need to use the provided tools to tighten both lock nuts simultaneously. When the nuts are tightened, you can apply a hubcap to each wheel. Press firmly until they snap into place. Step 2. Install the front wheels. Slide the front fork kit into the vehicle body. In turn, slide the handlebars onto the front fork axle and put in one washer and one long screw to secure it in place. Finally, cover with the plastic cap and apply the detailed sticker. Step 3. Install the rear mudguards. Snap the mudguards on both sides of the vehicle, taking care to make sure the screw holes underneath are in proper alignment. Flip the car over and secure the mudguards with 2 screws each. Slide the tailgate into place and secure it with 5 screws. Step 4. Attach the front accessories. Attach the side mirrors by pressing them down until they snap into place. Install the windscreen by pressing firmly until it snaps into the corresponding slots. Install the footrests on both sides of the vehicle. Snap them into the corresponding slots and then secure them with 2 screws each. Step 5. Install the rear accessories. Install the storage box holder on the back of the vehicle by pressing down firmly until it snaps into place. Install the seat armrest by pressing down until you hear it click. The storage box will slide onto the back of the storage box holder. Just press firmly until it locks into place. The multifunction seat is highly adaptable. It's designed to fit children of different heights, so if a bigger child is going to ride with a smaller child, they can invert the seat for a little more height. Step 7. Connect the power. Open the seat and connect the motor box to the battery. Make sure all the plugs and wires are securely in place, and turn on the vehicle to make sure it's receiving power. Operation. Operating the motorbike is super easy. The black switch to the right of the power button is the forward and reverse switch. The center position is neutral. Just push the button in whatever direction you want to go and then engage the floor pedal. The vehicle will automatically stop whenever the pedal is disengaged. The console also features a USB port to connect a mobile device or MP3 player. There's a button for a horn and one to play pre-programmed music. You can switch between tracks and increase or decrease the volume. Your child's motorbike also comes with a remote control. It will require 2 AAA batteries. The remote controls the forward and reverse direction of the vehicle. It also has a parking brake in case you need to stop the vehicle completely. The vehicle will not move with either the remote control or manual control until the parking brake has been disengaged. To charge the vehicle, just plug in the provided AC adapter and connect it to a power outlet. It's recommended that you not leave the battery plugged in for longer than 12 hours, as this could permanently damage the battery. Your child's motorbike is now complete. We hope you enjoy many years of safe and happy riding.